Left side keep fading everyone. Cost price. Left side keep fading everyone. Cost price. Abbreviation is CP. Cost price is the price. Cost price is the price cost price is the price at which something is bought, at which something is bought. Next, selling price. Next, selling price. Next keep adding selling price. What is abbreviation? SP. Selling price is the price. Selling price is the price selling price is the price selling price is the price at which something is offered for sale. Something is offered for sale. Yes. Just now I have explained about selling price and cost price. Now I am going to narrate one story based on overhead expenses. This is very interesting concept, overhead expenses. Like suppose there was one student, he was very happy. His father brought one, like we can say, one bike. His father purchased one bike, not first, second hand bike. Okay, the bike cost was 60,000 rupees. After that, okay, he bought one bike. That bike cost was 60,000 rupees. When we are buying any items, students, after that in bike will not run without petrol. We have to fill the petrol, right? 60,000 plus 2,000 rupees he filled the petrol in the bike. Now 2000, after that he checked all, each and every parts is working properly or not. Yeah, 1 week that bike was running very nicely, smoothly, no problem. After 1 week, what happened? Backside tire punctured. Backside tire punctured. Now 60,000 plus 2,000 was the petrol charge, plus now tire person means he want to change the tire also. New tire means 5,000. Now 60,000 was the bike cost, but 2,000 plus 5,000, this is called additional charge. Additional charge is nothing but overhead expenses, overhead amount. extra amount, additional amount is called overhead expenses. Suppose your friend birthday is there, you want to give gift to the friend. What will happen? You will buy one gift. After that, you will do wrapping or not? Without wrapping, you will not give any gift to anyone. Simply will not give, this is your gift, take it. You will wrapper, you will write proper sticker, write your name, given by whom. Okay, then that is called additional amount. Means additional amount is nothing but overhead expenses. That additional amount can be anything like transportation charge. Next, suppose our school is there, our school management is running the school. Here they are paying salary to the employees, paying money to the electricity. Next, our IIP persons, so many persons are there. Ayas are there, laborers are there, attendants are there, drivers are there, front office are there, so many are there. Means they are, this is the additional amount. Means how much extra charge they are paying, that is called overhead expenses. Got it, everyone? Got it? Yes. This is called additional amount or overhead expenses. Suppose you want to shift one item from one place to another place. What is happening here? Okay, we can shift item from one place to other place, but what is additional amount here? We are paying extra money to the, that what transport we are using from one place to the another place, that is called additional amount. Understood, everyone? Like so many persons have, like shop is there, they are bringing some items from one place to other place. Those person are bringing, they are also charging, get asking some money, that is called additional amount. Understood, everyone? Overhead expenses is nothing but additional amount, or amount additional can be anything like transportation charge, yeah, any repair, yeah, any maintenance, anything can be, right, everyone? Understood, everyone? What is overhead Yes. Now I'm going to write formula here. First formula I'm writing. Actual cost price is equal to actual cost price is equal to cost price plus overhead expenses. Overhead expenses. Always overhead expenses will be added on cost price only. Next, if selling price is greater than cost price, if selling price is greater than cost price, then what will occur here? Profit will occur. Then profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price minus cost price. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. Next, if if SP is less than CP, it means CP is greater than SP, then loss will occur. Loss is equal to loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Cost price minus selling price. Cost price minus selling price. With the help of profit and loss, we can write two more formula. Means if I want to write down selling price is equal to profit plus CP plus profit. The cost price is equal to SP minus profit. Same like in call loss also we can write selling price is equal to cost price minus loss, and cost price is equal to SP plus loss. Note down. Cost price is equal to, yeah, first note down. Student, that formula I am not giving because with the help of this two formula we can find out two more formula, right? Next, tell me student, when selling price is equal to cost price, what will happen? If SP is equal to CP, neither profit nor loss, means there is no profit and no loss. Suppose you purchase one item, that item cost is 30 rupees, again you are selling on 30 rupees, there is no profit and no loss. Means if selling price is equal to cost price, there is no profit and no loss, right everyone? Yes. Next formula, profit percentage is equal to profit by CP into 100, profit by CP means cost price, into 100. Loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100. Students, one thing you are observing, if I am talking about profit percentage or loss percentage, always denominator is coming cost price. Means profit percentage and loss percentage always calculated on cost price. Now I am going to give IIT formula. SP is equal to, very famous formula. SP is equal to 100 plus profit percentage, 100 plus profit percentage by 100 into cost price, CP. In this main formula, we can write one more formula. CP is equal to what we can write? SP into 100 divided by 100 plus profit percentage. CP is equal to SP into 100 divided by 100 plus profit percentage. Second IIT formula, SP is equal to 100 minus last percentage by 100 into CP. First IIT formula you are observing, student, when profit percentage is there and plus will be there, last percentage means minus will be there. With the help of this main formula, I can write one more formula. CP is equal to SP into 100 divided by 100 minus loss percentage. Students, in this chapter, all formulas are there. If you don't know formula, you can't solve single question in the exam. Write down this formula very clearly, everyone. Loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100. SP is equal to 100 plus profit percentage by 100 into CP. CP is equal to SP into 100 divided by 100 plus profit percentage. SP is equal to 100 minus loss percentage upon 100 into CP. CP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss percentage. First example. First example. Calculate 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 the profit percentage calculate the profit percentage when selling price when cost price is when cost price is 1,000 rupees and selling price is and selling price is 1,500 rupees. 1,500 rupees. In this question, first line what he has given, find the profit percentage. If I want to find out profit percentage or loss percentage, firstly we need to find out profit or loss. Then we can find out profit percentage and loss percentage. Cost price already he has given, no down. Cost price is equal to cost price CP is equal to cost price CP is equal to rupees 1,000. Selling price SP is equal to selling price SP is equal to selling price SP is equal to rupees 1,500. Now I want to check SP is greater than CP or not. Yes, we'll write here SP is greater than CP. If SP is greater than CP, then we can find out profit. Profit is equal to selling price SP minus cost price CP. Profit is equal to selling price is 1,500 rupees minus 1,000 rupees. Profit is equal to 500. We got it profit. Now I want to find out profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to profit by CP into 100. Profit percentage is equal to profit by CP into 100. Profit is what? 500 rupees divided by CP is what? 1,000 rupees into 100. This 20, this 20 cancel. This 10, 10 cancel. Rupees, rupees cancel. What is answer? 50%. Profit percentage is equal to 50%. Profit percentage is equal to profit into 100 by CP. Yes. Example 2. Example 2. Ria bought an article Ria bought an article for rupees 5,000. Ria bought an article for rupees 5,000 and sold it at 5% profit. Sold it at 5% profit. Find its selling price. Find its selling price. In this question, students, you are observing Ria bought an article. Bought means CPISP, cost price, right? Note down. CP of an article, CP of an article is equal to rupees 5,000. Profit percentage is equal to profit percentage is equal to 5%. What is asking? SP. SP of an article is equal to question mark. Now, first IIT formula we are going to apply here. SP is equal to 100 plus profit percentage into CP by 100. Now down first formula. SP is equal to SP is equal to 100 plus profit percentage 100 plus profit percentage into CP by 100. 100 plus profit percentage into CP by 100. 100 plus profit percentage into CP by 100. Why we can, there are two ways are there. Why we are reading like that? 100 plus profit percentage by 100. This is for easy for understanding, because 100 is up, 100 will come down, and into CP will come numerator. But how to read? So SP is equal to 100 plus profit percentage into CP divided by 100, right? Yes, we want to substitute the value. SP is equal to, start solving along with me everyone. Yes, 100 plus 5 divided by 100 into 5,000. 105 into 500, sorry, into 5,000 divided by 100. It's 20, 20 cancel. Student, don't show your smartness. 10 is there, 105 is there, 0 is, we are cancelling. No, don't do this smartness. 0 is middle, 0 is coming in last, mean we can cancel out. Some students are very smart. What they will do? They will do like that. 105 by 100 into 5,000. What they will do? Experiment. They will do this experiment. 10 10 cancel, 10 10 cancel. Don't do this is blunder mistakes. Okay, we cannot cancel like that. This is 100% wrong. Okay, always if after the number 0 is coming, then only we can cancel. Yes. Now what is coming here? 105 into 50. Multiply everyone. 0, 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 1s are 5. Rupees 5,250 rupees. We got SP. Hence, SP of an article is, hence, comma, SP of an article is rupees 5,250.